Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about board DateTime Picker to Flutter. Now we add this package to pubspec YAML. Then we update default project. Remove counter. Remove comments. And now we create variable DateTime. Select DateTime. Write DateTime dot now. And we create method. Choose DateTime, and we write async. Write final result. Await. Write show board DateTime Picker. Then we write picker type. Write DateTime Picker type DateTime. Save. Write initial date. Add. Select DateTime. Write options and write board DateTime options. Languages. Write board languages. Today. Write today. Tomorrow. And now. This setting we can control and use system language. We check this option. Then we write start day of week. Write DateTime Sunday. And then we write picker format. Write picker format EMD. Write active color. Colors dot green dot shade 200. Then we write background color. Write box decoration and write color. Write colors dot white. Then write background decoration. Write box decoration. Write color. Write colors dot white. Save. And we add const. Then we write if. Write result not null. Write set state. Write select DateTime. Result. Save. and we add this method to unpressed. Save, and we add select data time to widget text, and we write year, then we write month, and then we write day. Save, hot restart, and we update font size, update background color, red colors green, shade 200, add const, hot restart, and we update data time, and we can update information, and update data time picker type, date, update, and this all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.